everybody, on behalf of Athar and the Metro Heights community, Mystic Studio today is shooting a beautiful video on a year-end sale and some fresh arrivals. So let's all go into the new year of 2025 with grace, dignity, happiness, good health, good wealth and prosperity. So let me just introduce myself. I am Nidhi Tandon and we are a 18-year-old brand. And today, since Athar is not here to shoot, I am getting in a collection which is very pocket friendly, very peppy, lot of Indo-Westerns, lot of suits, a little exhibition, Delhi exhibition touch to each garment, along with some simple to the most modern garments. So just see the video full to the full length. अगर आप एक बारी में वीडियो नहीं देख सकते, प्लीज हाफ ऑफ करके देखिए. You will find a treasure for sure. So shipping is absolutely free. And let's proceed the video and by telling you that we have a few key points like Athar mentions. One is that parcel opening video is very important. Two, if you're buying for wholesale, a minimum MOQ of 12 pieces is important, or else you have to buy for 15,000 minimum. Also, आप single piece buying कर सकते हैं, आप bulk buying कर सकते हैं through this video. आप अपने स्मॉल टाइम बुटीक्स के लिए ले सकते हैं, एग्जीबिशंस के लिए ले सकते हैं, और इनफैक्ट इवन इफ यूर अ स्टार्टअप, वी हैव डन लाइक क्रेजी स्टार्टअप सिंस द पैंडेमिक. सो वी आर ऑल्सो 5th time award winners Facebook, along being in the exhibition world for about 18 years now. So let's start off the video without wasting any time. अगर again I'm repeating, अगर वीडियो लंबा लग रहा है प्लीज हाफ ऑफ करके देखिए. You will find a treasure for sure. So with 3 cheers to Athar and his Metro Heights community, a very happy new year 2025 and a year-end sale by Mystic Studio. Thank you. Guys, first pieces which we are showing are Pintex dresses, and they are dedicated to dog charity as usual. And these are Pintex dresses. They are common for small, mediums up till 48 size. And you can even wear a belt with them. They are embellished with some beautiful statement neck piece, and they are very, very classic pieces. So these are different statement prints to them. And then we have a beautiful blue. Look at this blue and black combo with a silver neck piece. A good nice beige, a black premium. So these are right now, usually they are 1,888, but right now we have put them on a very, very good rate of 1450. 1450 only with statement neck pieces, and they are statement pieces and they are cotton classic blends. So the next pieces which I'm showing you, we have a large size in one. So this is a large and this is a double XL. These are only and only 1095. So this one is a large, this one is a double XL. Accordingly you can buy them. 1095 only, cotton linens. And then we have a couple of shirts, because shirts are really hot on demand for us. And these 3 pieces are free size imported pieces with denim sleeves, and beautiful shirts at only 1195 only. 1195 only. That's your back. So very, very pretty, nice pieces. And another piece which I would like to show you are these shirts. These are again cotton based, but they are good from a small to a XL. They have organza flowers, and they're very nice colors. The price is only 1095, but only till XL. The other shirts were till double XL. So then we have an exclusive Diamante piece for Diamante lovers. This one is 1150. Another one are these 2 pieces, and this one is with organza flowers. This is also with organza flowers. They're good up till a size 3XL. Free size, American sizes you can use. This one is good up till a 5XL rather, and this is good till 3XL. The price is 1195. Then I would like to show you 2 denim pieces. So this one is a little shorter, and this is specially made longer for people who like long shirts. They are good with all sizes. We can do any sizes with them, and this is again for dog charity. The prices are for the denim ones. This one is a 1350 and the longer one is a 1495. And this one is on crepe. Again a 1495 only with diamantes. Then we have a single piece sale kind of a thing, and this one is a short inner neck piece, and this. The sizing is small medium to a XL only for this. XL double XL maybe. The price is 1195. Another piece is another look at this one. So this is the neck piece for this. This is 1250. It's got a cotton inner, lace cotton inner and a satin outer. इसके नीचे आप tights भी डाल सकते हो और otherwise ऐसे भी डाल सकते हो. 1250. Another one is only for small, medium, larges again. Short inner and a, so inner is crepish, neck piece. This is the jacket. So this is a good medium to a XL. Price is 1195. Now this one is common for all. Like this you can use for any size with lot of margin, lot of bandit in the with margin like this, which is like up till 50 also. It's good, and the price is 1195. It's all cotton, and this is a glaze cotton type of a shiny, good, nice, breathable piece. Then we have this in Maheshwari Chanderi. So this is the piece. It's a complete gown type of a piece. Medium to 3XL is available. This is the neck piece, which is really a pretty one and a classic. And this is the whole look. The price is only 1250. The next pieces which we are showing are these beautiful capes, guys, and these are perfect for this weather. They are very, very rich, nice classics, good for your different parties, receptions, cocktails, over a sari, over a quad set, over a gown. And the price point for these are only and only 2595, and these are heavy pieces. So we've clubbed them into good, nice classic wear. And then we have some very nice shirts which are Kaddana shirts and are very popular shirts with us. Different sizes are available. They are very, very rich diaries. These are the, इसमें अगर आप देखोगे थोड़ी सी मोटी एम्ब्रॉयडरी है, और the next one which you seeing, you're going to be witnessing and seeing, are thinner ones. So these are 1495, and the ones which I'm showing you now are the thinner ones as comparison to them, and these are 1195 only. Then we have short kaftans, guys, and do not miss these beautiful, nice kaftans. So these ones are on plain, so you can see different ones. This is a white, dirty white, and a black on black. They are very rich classic articles. The price of these are good, 1495 only. And then we have this printed one, which is again a nice classic piece. And do not miss these three pieces which are quite similar. Look at this, and that's your back. Look at the back, guys. These are very, very pretty, nice numbers. So these are the embroidered ones. And then I would like to, since we're showing you embroideries, we would also like to show you these capes that usually we have these shorter capes, and these are 2195 right now. The shorter ones, again you can wear a gown, sari, make it into a quad, and these are longer ones. So these are 25.99. The longer ones are 25.99 only. And now showing you some very, very nice kaftans. So these are all on sale. So one sale at rate I'm putting for these digitals, usually they are 1888. Right now for everybody, common for all, they are 1150. So 1150 piece, 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5. This is a little shorter. These again you can wear as dresses or whatever you want. Then we have beautiful 2-piece sets, guys. This is a very rich set. Medium to XXL वालों को आएगा. It's a classic with black trousers, gown, long piece है और black trousers. And then we have this one, a little embellished. And look at the cut going with organza sleeves. Beautiful embroidery. So ये वाले का प्राइस था 1195 और इस वाले का सेल का प्राइस है 1495 with so much of work. Do not miss it. And another piece which I'm showing you is again a very rich, nice drapes. So ये जो मैं आपको drapes दिखा रही हूँ, ये भी सेल पे गए हुए हैं. And look at the back. इस तरह से बैक लुक आ रही है. स्मॉल मीडियम से लेकर XXL वाले इसको ले सकते हैं. आई टेल यू द रीजन वाई. इसके सबके पीछे देयर इज अ इलास्टिक. सो ये आपका इलास्टिक है और बहुत ही प्रिटी ड्रेप्स है. प्राइस इसका हम सेल पे कर रहे हैं 1888 ओनली विथ सो मच ऑफ वर्क. Showing you some statement pieces, and these are with some bohemian bags. And please guys, do not misquote us for the bohemian bags. They're just adding on to each outfit which we are showing. So these are all boutique outfits, and you can see how the designing has been done. It's just a par excellence nice piece with margins, a classic nice number, and the price point for this is only and only 2888 with the bohemian bag. Another one, we did not think of putting a dupatta with it. It's just wow, like this with a beautiful bohemian bag. You can detach this belt and use it otherwise as a clutch as well, or use as a belt. So this is all बारीक काम. ऑर्गेन्जा का इसका लोअर में इफेक्ट है मसलिन प्योर के ऊपर with lot of margin, and do not miss the sleeves of this beautiful piece at 2888 only. So these are not available in the market. These are our own production, and they are beautiful classic wears. So if you want, we can definitely put the pattas with it. Another statement piece is this one. So these are all well matched with beautiful bags out here, and you can see this is the lower. This is exactly the sleeves. It's a classic cut work and embroidered piece. Again, we put it at 2888 only. Another one. ये आपका quad आ रहा है, और ये quad इस तरह से signify हो रहा है. This is the harem pants sort of pants. All embroidered piece. These all have margins, and this one is a 2650. It's a little shorter, as you can see, and it's a quad with a another one. Now this is a very rich series. Look at this. ये आपका high low pattern में आ रहा है. Look at the amount of laces and cut work. So this is all cut work, guys, and this is all cut work done and made it into a patch. So these are, and this is a lace with embroidery. It's a very nice classic article. The price is 2999 for this one. Another one is this. So ये भी आपका बहुत प्यारा सा piece है. Look at the sleeves. They are bell sleeves. This is the bag, and do not miss the bottom. The bottom has a little bow here just to make it peppy. And this is the dupatta. The dupatta also has this kind of a work. It's a very nice classic wear at 2888 only. The fabric is good, nice blended cotton piece. And now this is a super soft organza piece. Look at the amount of embroidery on the piece with a lining. That's the look. And this is our lower. The lower has this work out here. So the lower is muslin. The price is 2999 only. And do not miss the sleeves of this piece. So it's a very special piece. ये sleeves और bottom में same work किया करा है. And another one is just a kaftan, and this kaftan has this bag. It's a organza, super soft kaftan. And look at this is all cut work, so it's not a lace, guys, please note, it's not a lace, it's cut work. ये दिल्ली एग्जीबिशन वर्ल्ड का बहुत ही अच्छा क्लासिक पीस है at 3200 only. Another one is again a georgette kaftan with this bag. The price is 2888 and the fabric is georgette, and look at the front bag. And now some very classic suits. So this one is again a very nice brush paint piece. This is the dupatta for the same, and the price point of this one is only and only 1999. Another one is again a very nice cotton A-line diaries. This is the workout here and a good nice hand pinned dupatta. The price is 1195. और इसी का दूसरा कलर मैं दिखा रही हूँ. प्लीज ask us the sizes. In certain pieces we have much more the sizes than we are showing you, and the price point is only and only 1195. So ये वाला इससे थोड़ा सा different है, but since I am showing you the दुपट्टा, तो ये दुपट्टा कॉमन है, ये इस तरह से है और ये एम्ब्रॉयडरी के साथ है और ये लेसेस के साथ है. 1195 only on sale. Starting with some beautiful cotton range, and this is all, look at the bottom, it's a pure cotton, 2-piece sets. It's an anarkali for 1250 only, medium to double XL. Then we have all sizes, a little bit of work out here, pure cotton, again a naira with this. The price is 1195 only. And then we have a beautiful piece which will go till a size 4XL. The price point of this is 1650. 1650. And then we have medium to double XL. इसका lower हमने stitch नहीं कराया specially because you can manage your own lower. And look at the buttons with work. The price is 1495 only. Another one is a special classic piece, and I think we had a lot of pieces, only a few are left. Look at the broad trousers, very very pretty, nice piece. The price is 2299 only. And this one is a medium to a XL, very very nice 3-piece set. This is the lower. The price is 1195 only. मीडियम टू लार्ज और मीडियम टू 46 भी होना चाहिए ये गाइज इसमें. आई एम श्योर वी हैव 2 pieces. द प्राइस इज 1495 ओनली. सिंगल पीस अवेलेबल. द प्राइस साइज इज स्मॉल मीडियम and the price is 1195 only. So these are all shredded prices. And now this is one of our favorite pieces for Delhi Exhibition World with good nice gher. Look at the piece. It's made in matka cotton with a mal dupatta. There's a little wee bit difference between the color tone because one is dyed otherwise. One is a mal, one is a matka cotton. Please see to that. I don't want any complaints later. And it looks really ravishing with this neck piece. And usually the price is 3800. The price today is 2250 only. With different cuttings of this. It's a special piece. And all sizes are possible but on a different rate. Only this one's on sale. Now this one's a very nice piece. And this is with a off-white lower. It's a pure chanderi. It is not that arty chanderi. And it's like how Good Earth or Good Places use वैसा वाला चंदेरी है with this kind of a tie and dye dupatta. The price is 1650. It's a good nice handloom sort of a feel to it with a neck piece. 1650. And इसका क्या size बोला? Medium to 3XL available. So this was a 2-piece set, but we put in this organza dupatta purposely. It's a muslin premium diaries with little pitawa work out here. And the price point, the price of this one is 1650. Another one. मीडियम से लेकर ये वाला जो पीस हम आपको दिखा रहे हैं, बहुत क्लासिक सा पीस है, जॉर्जेट का प्रीमियम डायरीज है. एंड दिस इज द लोअर, ब्रॉड लोअर आ रहा है इसका, देखें. और इसके साथ हमने आपको दिया है बहुत प्रिटी सा दुपट्टा. द प्राइस इज 2499 ओनली इन द सेल. अनदर वन. ये आपका बहुत ही प्रिटी सा नंबर है गाइस, इसे मत मिस करिए. ये हकोबा का है, जॉर्जेट का पीस. और दुपट्टा इज ऑल्सो पार एक्सीलेंस विथ पैचेस. ठीक है ना दुपट्टे को थोड़ा. लुक एट दिस, वेरी प्रिटी नाइस पेस्टलिश क्लासिक नंबर. द प्राइस पॉइंट ऑफ दिस पीस, इसका साइजेस आराम से एडजस्टेबल. एंड दिस इज द लोअर कलर. The price point of this is 2299 only. And these are very very classic pieces. जो भी आप अच्छे pieces use करना चाहते हैं for parties and little get-togethers, this is a very very rich, nice combo. The price point of these two pieces are on sale now at 2595 with so much of zari work, with little cheetah on the dupatta. And do not miss the sleeves. So 3XL sizes are available in this. And then we have another hot pink again from a designer co-branding, which is really a pretty piece. ये सारा शिमर है, लेदर नहीं है, क्योंकि लेदर से सब डर जाते हैं. ये सारा शिमर से हमने कराया हुआ है अपने एग्जीबिशंस के लिए. और ये आप इसकी स्लीव्स भी देखो, बहुत प्यारा पीस है. एट 2888 ओनली. Medium to double XL, another piece on sale, 1495. Another one. Showing you some beautiful nice diaries, and these are special pieces. So this is all in all handwork and very very classic pieces. So one is with this dupatta and the other one is with this dupatta. So it's very well finished, nice premium product. All sizes available. The price point of this is only 2888 only, with so much of work. And another piece I would like to show you, all sizes available. The dupatta might vary at the moment. जो पहला पीस जाएगा वो इस दुपट्टे के साथ जाएगा, all handwork के साथ का दुपट्टा है ये. The price point is 2299 only. And then we have a beautiful cotton diaries, and I think Sharif is showing you a beautiful lower for that, which looks really nice. Small, medium, large को ही आएगा ये. Price is 2495 only. And another piece I would like to show you is with a very classic dupatta. So each piece is done very well with beautiful work, which is a boutique kind of special pieces. And the price point of this one out here is 2888 only. मीडियम से लेकर डबल एक्सएल तक ये बहुत प्यारा सा पीस है. प्राइस इज 2650. लास्ट वाला भी जॉर्जेट था, एक में जॉर्जेट वाला वो वाला पीस उठा लो. And this was 2888 and this is 2650. And another piece I would like to show you is again, जैसे मैंने अभी आपको पीस दिखाया था with patchwork, ये वाला आपका दूसरा आ गया कलर इसमें. ये देखिए बहुत प्यारा सा पीस है. The price point of this one is 2888 only with this dupatta. Medium to 5XL guys. Do not miss this piece. The whole element is dupatta. अच्छा क्लासिक पीस है, पूरा हाथ का काम है. प्राइस इज 2999. लुक एट द अमाउंट ऑफ वर्क. 2999 और साइज इसका जा रहा है लास्ट 50 और उसमें भी मार्जिन मिलेगा. मीडियम टू XXL. अ ब्यूटिफुल क्लासिक पीस एप्लिक वर्क के साथ. प्राइस इज 2595. So these are all single pieces. Medium to 3XL again, a beautiful handwork piece with a dhoop chhaw dupatta like this. The price is 2650. Another piece is this beautiful black. So this one is a organza piece. I actually just the moment I touched it, I thought it is crepe, but this is a super soft organza. Look at the amount of work. So this is all cut work, जो कि आपको मार्केट में बहुत महंगा मिलता है. हमारे से ये अप टिल 42 साइज है अवेलेबल. बाकी आप चेक कर सकते हैं हमारे से. 42 44 तो है ही. मीडियम टू 44 42. द प्राइस पॉइंट इज 2650. वेरी रिच नंबर. मीडियम टू एक्सेल, a shimmer piece. Look at this with this kind of a dupatta. Price is only 1399 only on sale. Then we have this special piece. I think this is hot on demand. Look at the cut work coming in flower shape. This is the work. Shimmer का piece है. Beautiful सा दुपट्टा है और brocade की pants है. बहुत प्यारा सा आर्टिकल है ये. Good, little festive, little nice for light occasions. The price is only and only 2999. Another piece, good colors. Is another, this color is really in vogue at the moment. The price is 2650 and it's a simple, nice, classic pure piece in Georgette. इस तरह का दुपट्टा 2650. Medium to 3XL. Again, we have a few sizes in this. This is the kind of pants. Zari का work है इस पे. अब पूरा जरी वर्क आपकी स्लीव पे भी आएगा. प्राइस इज 2888 एंड द पीस इज पार एक्सीलेंस. अनदर वन प्योर कॉटन का पीस दिखा रही हूँ मैं. ए लाइन शॉर्ट अनारकली टाइप ऑफ पीस है. कम्स विद अ हैंड प्रिंट दुपट्टा लाइक दिस. प्राइस इज 2495 एंड इट्स अ शिफले. शिफले का पीस है. कॉटन पैंट्स है. मीडियम टू एक्सेल फॉर श्योर. Now this is a white color, off white rather. और गैंजा का आपको स्लीव्स दिख रहा है. ये आपकी पैंट्स पे वर्क है. बहुत ही प्यारा सा आर्टिकल है. ऑफ वाइट में जो भी ऑफ वाइट लवर्स हैं विद अ चीटा. प्राइस इज 2888. Another one is a muslin premium diaries. अगेन इसकी स्लीव्स पे काम है. पूरा कट दाने का काम है. ये आपका थ्रेड का with another this kind of dupatta. Price is 2495 only. And now a beautiful anarkali 1 and 2. दोनों में पाकिस्तानी दुपट्टा is a common thing. Look at this. The prices for these are only 2250. 2250 के ये आपके गाउन्स हैं जॉर्जेट के और उनके साथ हैं ये दुपट्टा. Showing you some very classic pieces, and this is a burnt orange and this is a mustard. So these are very nice divider pieces and the work is par excellence. The fabric is pure. Sizes are available from medium to good 46. The price is strictly on demand. These are really classic pieces. And again we have a similar kind of a Indo-Western. So you can see the amount of work on this also. Again with the divider is a tray. And now a premium quad. So this is an ombre. It's a single piece. We can take up 10 orders on it. And the price of this is 3500 only. And this is another very nice divider piece. Look at the beautiful divider. And this is super soft organza. For a minute one feels it's crepe. And the bottom is absolutely muslin silk. And the fabric is par excellence. The piece is only 2999. Another one is with a tulip pant. So you can see that this is the tulip pant out here. And इसके साथ एक थोड़ा सा Indian touch है with broad sleeves, typically like different designers use at the moment. And it's a very classic diaries again. So these are special Indo-Westerns which which are actually between 3500 to 4500. And some of them are 2999 as well. So I'm not spelling out the prices. So this is a kaftan. Entire kaftan का set है. पूरा hand work है. और इस तरह से जा रहा है ये with the sleeves. That's your back. Back पे भी पूरा का पूरा चीटा है. और full on embroideries है. The pieces are classic, pure and nice diaries. Then we have this piece. Look at the amount of work. The price is 3500 only. It's in pure crepe. जो कि पहले आया करती थी. And now these are on sale. These are only 2,999 and our Parsi work. There is no element of bird embroidery in any piece, so you can use for every culture. 2,999 only. Free size, medium to 3XL, and beautiful pieces, Parsi work. And then we have another very classic pieces, और ये है हमारे divider के pieces. So इसमें है शरारास और 3 कलर टोन्स इसमें दिखाई जा रही हैं आपको. बहुत प्यारे से पीसेस हैं. ये देखिए, प्योर चिनॉन जॉर्जेट के हैं. प्राइजेस 42.99 ओनली. Another one is this. So this is also a piece with a divider. I think ये हमारा बहुत ज़्यादा अभी there was a wedding show which we did and it was a hit, absolute hit. The price is 3,999 only. वेरी नाइस. बारीक एम्ब्रॉयडरी. इसकी एम्ब्रॉयडरी अगर आप आराम से देखें तो बहुत ज़्यादा भी है, बहुत सटल भी है और नेक तक आ रही है विद अ दुपट्टा. देन वी हैव दीज पीसेस विद पोटली. इफ यू इग्नोर द पोटली ऑल्सो, द पीस इज पार एक्सलेंस. अगेन अ प्योर पीस फॉर 3,500 ओनली. 2 पीस सेट्स है ये. एंड देन दीज आर अगेन काफ्तान क्वाड्स. The prices are 3,200 each for these 3 colors. Look at the color tones. और इस तरह से स्लीव पर भी एम्ब्रॉयडरी मिलेगी इसमें. 3,200 ओनली. 2 पीस सेट. और इसका एक का मैं आपको पलाजो दिखा दूँ टू टेल यू द कंसेप्ट ऑफ दिस पीस. लंबा वाला. एंड द नेक्स्ट पीस टू गो इज अ गो टू पीस. अगेन ये आपका आ गया इसी तरह से पलाजो के साथ पीस है विद दिस काइंड ऑफ एन एम्ब्रॉयडरी. प्राइस एट द मोमेंट ऑन सेल फॉर दिस इज 3,200, अदरवाइज 3,800. देन वी हैव काफ्तान क्वाड्स लाइक दिस. सो यू कैन टेल देम एक्चुअली काफ्तान नहीं है, ये ड्रेप्स है और ये 5XL तक आपको मिलेंगे विद द पलाजोस. मीडियम टू 5XL अवेलेबल फॉर 2,888. And another drapes, 2 beautiful colors. Do not miss them at 3,200 only with the trousers. Another one is a pure organza piece with muslin trousers. Price is 3,500 only. Then we have an ombre like this. This is with the trousers. And look at this with the embroidery. 3,200 only. And another one is this one. This one, all orders will be booked on 3,800. Right now this one is on sale at 3,150. So showing you some more beautiful kaftan quads, and you can see that this is a very nice piece. Grey and a steel grey. 2 colors आ रहे हैं, grey and a steel greyish black. So you can see कि बहुत माहीम embroidery है. बहुत pretty pieces at 3,200 only. And then we have this one. This one is price on demand guys, और इसमें आप कोई भी कलर बनवा सकते हैं. कलर और ये सारा काफ्तान क्वाड्स चल रहे हैं. ये आपका ब्राउन कलर में ये बहुत प्रिटी सा पर्ल वर्क आ रहा है. ये आपका 3,200 का आ रहा है. देन वी हैव अनदर इंडो वेस्टर्न सीरीज. ये आपकी स्कर्ट आ रही है. स्कर्ट के ऊपर ये जैकेट और इस तरह का बस्टियर. पूरा बहुत अच्छा प्रिटी सा वर्क है. वी हैव गिवन अ बैक टू पेप इट अप. द प्राइस इज 24.99 only on sale. When I say sale, it's common for all guys, please note it. And then we have this kind of a garment. ये पूरा हाथ में काम है. That's the whole element about this divider set, with a good nice neckline out here. The price point of this one is only and only 2,650. Another very nice piece. This will go till a size 48. It's a high-low pattern with a क्रेप जॉर्जेट. ये डबल जॉर्जेट है और नीचे हमने क्रेप दिया है. सो हल्का सा कलर डिफरेंस आ रहा है, प्लीज नोट करेंगे आप. 48 साइज तक आएगा. मीडियम टू 48 अवेलेबल. प्राइस पॉइंट ऑफ दिस इज ओनली 2,600. Another one is this. So this is also a very classic piece. It's again a drapey piece with the trousers. This is not lace, it's an embroidered patch done like this. The price is 2650 only. Medium to XL. Till we have a margin. We have a margin, so double XL तक आएगा. पूरा हैंडवर्क के साथ डिवाइडर है ये. The price is 3100 on sale. Another piece on sale is a 3-piece set. So we have this skirt, we have this bustier, we have this very gorgeous color, minty beigeish sort of a color with this embroidery से आप hands निकाल सकते हो. Price is 2999 only on sale. And this one we have sold for 6500 also. Right now this is 3800 on sale. 3800 only with the jacket. Very elegant piece. Medium to double XL, another divider piece. Do not miss it. This is again on sale at 2999. Another piece on sale is a 3-piece set, rather a 4-piece set. ये आपकी jacket, bustier, divider okay, and a beautiful nice look. Medium to double XL. Price is 2399. Now this is a classic, very pretty classic piece with this kind of pants. Medium to 3XL is available. 38 से 46 available. 48 तक भी हमारा पीस आएगा. Price is 3650. Another Indo Western. ये आपका drape आ रहा है, all embroidered. This is the back. इस तरह से you can close it into a bow out here with this hangings. यहाँ पे ऐसे close हो जाएगा ये. Price is 2500. And now another piece. ये आपका गाउन आ गया ब्लू कलर में, नेवी ब्लू. डिसेंट सा पीस है ये. इस तरह से इसका दुपट्टा लुक आ रहा है. So this is the dupatta look which you can carry it at the back. Look at the piece. The price of this is only and only 3200. And now another piece. So this is again a gown. Look at this gown. Medium to XL ही रहेगा. Please note करें, इस पे lot of work है इस तरह से. And we have given it a dupatta to pep it up at only and only 2500 only. Now showing you a very pretty cord, and this is something which we make. It's not available in any market, still it's copied. This is a flower design specially done for you guys, and look at the finishing of the collar. So this is a very nice classic fabric used, and everything is finished with these two lines. Whether it's the base or this, the price is only and only 3200 on order, plus size possible. And these are medium to large and medium to XLs. So दोनों के दोनों में आपका जो work आएगा below, वो इस तरह का metal work आएगा. Price is only 1999. Then we have a special cord like this, which is a super soft organza. Looks like really crepe. And this is all applique flowers. This is a boutique piece again. And the price point is 2999 for this beautiful classic diaries. Again, a medium to a XL, a beautiful piece. Price is 1999 with super soft organza sleeves and a muslin diaries. And another piece, medium to XL, is a beautiful, nice imported cord. And this one is a medium to a 46, medium to a XL. Look at these beautiful cords. Another one is a banana crepe premium diaries. इसके साथ हमने दी है straight trousers और इसका ये drape है. So this is a drape. I would also like to show you another color in this. So drape के साथ हमने black pants दे दी है. Price is 2495. And then this one has a little more work. Again sleeves पे same work है. और इसकी lycra का ही, इसका banana crepe का ही लोअर है, तो ये आपका थोड़ा सा एक्सपेंसिव हो जाएगा इससे. मीडियम टू 3XL वूल वर्क के साथ कॉटन लिनन क्वाड. प्राइस इज ओनली 1888. And now this one is a micro paw guys, and going forward we might show you one or two more micro paws. I think थोड़ा सा ऊपर नीचे हो गया. So very nice free size नाइस पीस, इसको ड्रेस भी डाल सकते हो आप, ऐसे भी डाल सकते हो। 2500 ओनली पर है। एंड ये वाला बनवाया गया पीस, इस पे हमने बहुत अच्छा शिमर रिंकल है, इस तरह से टाई अप है, और इसका किसी भी साइज में आप इसको ऑल्टर कर सकते हैं। वी हैव अ लॉट ऑफ क्रेजी मार्जिन इन दिस, सो दिस इज ऑल्सो 2500। एंड अनदर पीस इज अ क्रेप बैगी लुक इन द क्वाड विद अ ब्यूटिफुल नेक पीस, और नीचे में रिंकल है लाइक दिस। द प्राइस इज 2500। Another piece taken away by one of the labels of India is a beautiful quad, and ये आपका medium to 3XL तक available है quad. Price is 2500. Another one is a creepy quad again, fun time kind of a quad with this kind of sleeves. The price is 2195. Medium to 3XL available in this beautiful crepe, banana crepe sort of a quad. Banana crepe भी नहीं बोलूँगी, sand crepe, sorry. Price is 2150. Now there are two kind of pieces in this banana crepe piece. ये वाला आपका इस तरह का look आ रहा है with black pants, embroidery at the back as well. Price is 2200. और ये वाला आपका proper drapey heavy quad आ रहा है, ये आपका 2495 पर आता है। देन वी हैव अ वेरी नाइस क्लासिक पीस, इस तरह से मीडियम टू एक्सेल्स हैं, ये इंपोर्टेड क्लॉथ्स है 2100 पर। एंड दिस वन इज आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स पीस, अगेन अ डिवाइडर पीस। आई शुड हैव शोन यू विद माय अदर पीसेस। द प्राइस ऑफ दिस इज 2500 ओनली, 3XL तक अवेलेबल। देन वी हैव द मोस्ट हॉट ऑन डिमांड a peppy quad with ribbon work. Price is 2650, ये वाला। And another piece medium to 3XL, price is 2500 on sale. Another piece, इसमें देखो काम कितना, इतना सारा काम है आगे और पीछे। Price is 2800 only. Another piece medium large, price is 1999 only on sale. All sizes possible in this. Price is 2100. And now some beautiful good nice winter quads, and starting this edit. So the first one is a quad on sale, 3 piece का सेट है, किसी भी वेदर में डल सकता है। Bangalore, Mumbai, you can apply for this beautiful quad. Medium to 3XL. The price is only 1888 on sale. And then we have a gorgeous piece. Look at this. इसमें आपका सारा जारदोजी वर्क के साथ आ रहा है, पिटा हुआ जारदोजी वर्क के साथ, वेलवेट का quad. The price is 2200 only. Look at this applique work here. Then we have another black with embroidery. ये सारे बनाए गए हैं, मार्केट्स में अवेलेबल नहीं है गाइस, प्लीज ये नोट कर लीजिए। ये आपका 2495 सेल पर है। देन वी हैव दिस ब्यूटीफुल गॉर्जियस पीस ड्रैगन फ्लाइज के साथ, ये वाला हमारा सिर्फ 42 तक आएगा, मीडियम टू 42 कैन अप्लाई। प्राइस इज 2200। डू नॉट मिस आर इम्पोर्टेड कॉर्ड्स। नाउ इम्पोर्टेड कॉर्ड्स बोला है तो इम्पोर्टेड कॉर्ड्स यहाँ हम सबको पता है ये एक्सपेंसिव है, हम सबको पता है ये क्लासी है। मीडियम टू XXL आई प्रॉमिस, 3XL कैन चेक विद अस। द प्राइस इज 2650 ऑन सेल। देन वी हैव दिस वन विच इज रियली क्लासी। लुक एट दिस, 3 पीस का सेट आ रहा है, ये भी आपका मीडियम टू 3XL आ जाता है स्ट्रेच में। द प्राइस इज 2888 ओनली। देन वी हैव प्लेन फॉर प्लेन लवर्स। द कलर्स आर द चॉइसिएस्ट ऑफ कलर्स। The price is 2495 on sale. Another one, medium to 3XL on sale, 2400. Then all the furs are sold out. We have this fur and we have done 4 rounds of it already, and I really wanted to show this. The price of the sale is 2400. And then I'm showing you इस तरह से tiger वाला, इसमें ये आपका फर वाला है, एक ये कॉलर वाला प्लेन लुक है, और एक आपका ये वाला लुक है। ये सब फ्री साइज आर्टिकल्स हैं, ड्रेसेस के ऊपर डाल लिए, ऑन लॉन्ग टॉप्स डाल लिए, ये भी 2400 के। देन वी हैव दीज आर गॉर्जियस पीसेस with your boots, and the price point of these are 2500 only on sale. Another pieces are beautiful stoles. Now these stoles are very pretty stoles. हम एक प्राइस पे आपको करके दे रहे हैं इनको, और वो प्राइस है 1095 only. So these are stoles. हमने सेफ्टी पिन लगाया हुआ है इसमें to show you that we are doing these, and we have given neck pieces कि आप किसी भी वे से इसको डाल सकते हो. So 1 2 3 4, इसमें नेक पीस नहीं है, डल जाएगा. 5 6, look at the brighty digitals also, the same for everybody. Look at this one. Then we have this, जिसमें नेक पीसेस नहीं है guys, डल जाएंगे. Probably वो you know, to put it on the chair and show it while the session is going on, it's a little tough sometimes. And then we have this, and now some more winter wear articles. So we have these with the hoodies. The price is only and only 1195. And the other day I was at Rishikesh, the same piece for 2500. And look at this one, 999. Then we have this 999. They're all with neck pieces, shimmer look, 999. A beautiful nice number. You can take out your sleeves here. 1095. Another one is this 999. And then we have these very cute pieces, again 1095 with a little fur is in, we all know. And do not miss these, the shimmer look, 1095. And these can be used, these can all be used over your saris, anything you require. And these ones are 750 only with the lace, a little shiny and nice pieces. Very pretty Indo-westerns, and these are very pretty gowns, and these are the latest launch of the day. And these are with flowers, पूरा कटदाने का work है, and you can see कि इस तरह से इस पे embroidery है. The prices are 3650 at the moment for the end of the year sale on fresh. और ये इसके colors हैं. So these are the color tones. These are very very pretty pieces. And they are available from medium to a 3XL. इस तरह से इसका फ्लावर आएगा मिडिल में. So अभी के लिए ये 3650 है, introductory price. And then we have these flower ones. ये भी दुपट्टे के साथ के concepts हैं. हर दुपट्टे पे थोड़ा थोड़ा nice work है. And then we have this one. This also we have colors you can demand. We haven't put them by chance on the hanger. These are again available till size 50. Then we have a beautiful gorgeous piece which we do always, and that is this. So इसमें भी आपके colors हैं, and this is a sari draped gown which is always with us 90% of the time. Medium से लेकर, इस तरह से इसका साड़ी ड्रेप आ रहा है पीछे से, मीडियम से लेकर ये आपका 48-50 साइज तक रहेगा ही रहेगा. And now some gorgeous kaftan. So this particular one is somebody's order, but I wanted to show it to you, otherwise it goes on a waiting. All handwork, a gorgeous piece. Look at this, it goes on a waiting. So this is our piece 1. Piece 2 is this with this work. Piece 3 is this one. So these are, once a particular piece is sold, it goes on a waiting. Please note, it goes on a waiting. So this is all ombre classic beautiful wares which are gorgeous and classic. Do not miss them. These are really pretty beautiful pieces out here. So these are world famous, and they're between 3500 to 3800. Thank you. Ending the video now, I would like to say, अगर आपने पूरा नहीं देखा है तो प्लीज़ उसको 2 parts में देखिए. You'd really benefit. Anybody, even if you're a startup or a multi-designer store owner or probably a little boutique somewhere or exhibitions के लिए आपको amalgamation लेना है, please be with us. Sorry, we do not have any COD. We'll try to start soon, but DHL and DTDC couriers are definitely there. So 3 cheers to Athar. We would like to end this video with grace and dignity, and a very happy new year 2025 to everybody, that it gives everybody good fortune, good health and good wealth. Thank you guys.